Hello. I'm confident that you currently utilize ChatGPT for various tasks such as answering questions, creating content, and more. However, did you know that ChatGPT can assist you in building an app without the need for coding skills or knowledge? In this guide, I'll take you through a step-by-step process to generate code using ChatGPT and construct a basic app. Stay tuned until the end, where I'll demonstrate how to convert it into an APK file for your Android device, making it easy to share or publish on the Play Store. Let's dive in. Firstly, we need an app idea or decide on creating an app. If you already have one, you can explain it to ChatGPT and describe how it should function. For this tutorial, I'll be creating a simple to-do list app. Visit ChatGPT and input your app idea, asking ChatGPT to provide HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes for your app. In just seconds, I obtained the codes for my to-do list app. To check if the codes are working properly, I'll use a free tool called CodePen. Navigate to CodePen, sign up for free with your Google or email account, and you'll arrive at a page with 3 sections for adding HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes to create your app. Copy and paste the HTML code from ChatGPT into the HTML section. Next, do the same for the CSS and JavaScript codes. After entering all 3 codes, move this section up, and you'll see a preview of your app. Let's test our app. I'm creating a to-do list app, so I'll enter Go to the Gym and click Add Task. You can see that our task is added, complete with edit and delete buttons. The app is working perfectly. To enhance its appearance with more options, a different background color, and attractive icons, go back to ChatGPT and request it to regenerate the codes with new customizations. Copy the new HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes, go back to CodePen, and replace the old codes with the new ones. Now, when you move up this section, you'll notice that the background color has changed, and there are additional options like a calendar and different task types. Now let's change the Add button to a plus icon. After making this adjustment, let's check our app again. As you can see, our app is functioning perfectly. Now, to save the app codes to our computer, open a notepad. First, copy the HTML code and paste it here. Click Save, and before saving, create a folder to store your files. Save the HTML code as index.html. This step is crucial for the proper functioning of your app. Repeat the same process for the CSS code. Open a new notepad, copy and paste the code, and save it as style.css. Lastly, open a new notepad, copy and paste the JavaScript code, and save it as script.js. Once you've saved all 3 codes, you can run the app locally. Navigate to the folder where you saved the codes, open the index file, and you'll see the app running in your browser. Great, we've saved our app files to the computer, and the app is running smoothly. Now let's move on to uploading our app online, which requires hosting. I'll use a service called TinyHost. Click the provided link in the description to access the site. Enter a name for your app and upload your app file as a zip file. Right-click on the app file, select Send to, choose Compressed Folder, and your file will transform into a zip file. Drag and drop the zip file onto TinyHost, click on Google, log in, fill in the required fields, and click Complete. Your app is now online. Click View Site to see your live app ready to be shared. With the hosting done, let's convert our web app into a mobile app. But before that, we need an icon. Create one for free on Canva.com. Click Create Design, choose Custom Design, enter 52 by 52 as dimensions, and create your design. Set the background color to black for easy designing. Click Elements, choose a shape suitable for your app. I'm selecting a round shape, and adjust its color. Next, search for a graphic suitable for your app. I'm choosing a list icon. After adding and adjusting the icon size, click Share and Download to get your icon. Using Canva's free plan, you can remove the image background using a free tool called Photopea. Visit Photopea to remove the background. Click Open from the computer now, navigate to the left sidebar, and choose the Magic Wand tool. Click on the background and you'll see it selected. Press Delete on the keyboard to remove the background. Next, click File, go to Export As, choose PNG format, and click Save. Our app icon is now ready. All that's left is to convert our app into a mobile app using the free tool Web into App. First, add our app URL here. Go to our app, copy the URL, and paste it. Enter the app name, I'm using To-Do List, and click Next. Here, add an icon for the app. Click App Icon and upload the icon created with Canva. After uploading, click Make App, register with your details and click Register again, then click Make App. On the next page, select your app category, add a description, and click OK. Our app is now transformed into a mobile app. To download it, click the cloud icon, then download free, and finally download all files. The app is successfully downloaded to our computer. To install it on our mobile phone, extract the zip file on our computer. Open the extracted folder, navigate to Android, and find the APK file. Now we have our app's APK file. Download the app to your phone using Google Drive. Open Google Drive in your browser, upload the APK file, and then download and install the app on your phone. Open Google Drive on your phone, locate the APK file, click on it,